Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain the topic. The topic name is mouse. Okay, this is the part of chapter 1. So, all of you open chapter 1 and the topic mouse. Dear students, a computer mouse has two buttons. As you all know, there are two buttons in a mouse. You can see, suppose that this is your mouse. Okay, so this is the left button and this is the right button. Okay, and you can see between the buttons with a scroll wheel in the middle of them. A mouse is used to point, select and move the item on the screen. It also lets you draw and color pictures. The mouse pointer follows the movement of the mouse. A computer mouse is of two types. Dear students, there are two types of mouse. First is mechanical mouse and second is optical mouse. Okay, first is mechanical mouse and second is optical mouse. So dear student, first of all I will explain about mechanical mouse. Mechanical mouse has a movable control ball. This ball follows the movements of the mouse. This mouse is also known as ball mouse. A mechanical mouse is a little heavy and need to be cleaned regularly. Dear students, mechanical mouse is little heavy than the optical mouse and it's required to be cleaned regularly. And optical mouse uses LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. It does not have any moving parts unlike a mechanical mouse. Means optical mouse don't have any ball. It uses LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. It is lighter than the mechanical mouse and does not need much care. These days, optical mouse are more commonly used. Nowadays, you can see everywhere optical mouse are being used. Okay, students. Now come to the topic that is light pen. Okay, dear students, light pen is a digital pen, not a simple pen. Okay. A light pen is a digital pen. It is used to point, select and draw objects by placing it directly on the computer screen. A light pen is used only with CRT monitor. It is commonly used by engineers, architects, fashion designer and teachers while using a smart board. Understand, students? Dear students, mouse, touch screen and light pen are some example of pointing devices. Means mouse, touch screen and light pen, these all are the pointing device. Okay students, now come to the page number 9. Here is the info box. Touch screen is a computer screen with a touch sensitive screen. It lets the users work on the monitor with the touch of their finger tips. For example, touch screen smartphone, tablet, laptop and so on. These all are the touch screen with sensitive screen. Now dear students, come to the next topic that is scanner. Scanner is an input device that lets a user transfer data or information from a hard copy into a computer. Dear students, scanner is a medium to enter data from the hard copy into a computer. A scanner can read text as well as picture printed on the piece of paper. For example, printed document, photographs, or even handwritten documents. There are three types of scanner. First is flatbed, second is sheet fed, and handheld scanner. The most commonly used scanner is the flatbed. Dear students, nowadays flatbed scanner is used mostly. Okay, now come to the next info box. Okay, dear students, barcode reader is a handheld scanner. It reads or scans the barcode that appear on different items using beams of light. The stored information is displayed on the monitor. A barcode is a pattern of black and white line of different thickness. This pattern contains the product information such as name, price, and weight. Dear students, you have already seen whenever you go in the shopping malls, the shopkeepers scan your items when you purchase anything. The items is to be scanned by the shopkeeper and the details of that item displays on the monitor screen of the shopkeeper. Okay students, now come to the webcam. Okay, a webcam is the short form of web camera. Means webcam is stand for web camera. A webcam is connected to a computer to capture still images and record videos into a computer. It is used to have live video, chat, and video conferencing through internet. Nowadays, most computers come with built-in webcam. Okay students? Okay, so dear students, now come to the next topic, that is digital camera. Okay? Students, a digital camera is used to capture photographs. The images are stored in digital form using a memory card. Using this camera, you can take picture and also record videos. Dear students, you can see digital camera in your cell phone, okay, at home. Using this you can capture images and record video. Okay students, now come to the next page. The topic is processing device. A computer has only processing device which is known as CPU, and CPU is stand for Central Processing Unit. It processes the given input and control the overall function of a computer. Dear students, the processing device does all the calculation and comparison of data and finally display the output on the monitor. It stores data and information saved in a computer. Dear students, as you all know, computer has only one processing device, that is called CPU. It control overall function of a computer, and the processing device does all the calculation and comparison of data and finally displays the output on the monitor. It stores data and information saved in a computer. Dear students, a CPU is divided into three parts on the basis of its functioning. First is memory unit, second is control unit, and third is arithmetic and logical unit. Okay student, so first memory unit is, it store data and instruction which can be recalled anytime you want. Dear students, when you will make any document, then if you will save this, then in future you can reopen it. Control unit, it controls the and manage the functioning of all the part of the computer. Arithmetic and logic unit, it does all the arithmetic calculation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And dear students, it perform logical operation, for example finding the greater number, smaller number and so on. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is output devices. Your next topic is output devices. Output devices show information or data entered to a computer and also display the result after processing. Dear students, as you all know, monitor, speaker and printer, these all are the output devices. So first of all, I will describe monitor. Okay, monitor is the most essential output device. It displays all the work done on a computer and also displays the output on the screen. The output displayed on a monitor is called a soft copy. Dear students, the output displayed on a monitor is called a soft copy, and when we take output from the printer, that is called a hard copy. So this is the difference between a soft copy and hard copy. Okay students, now come to the next topic, that is types of monitors. There are three types of monitor. First is CRT, second is LCD and third is LED. Okay students, these are the three types of monitor. Okay, first is CRT, second is LED and third is LCD. Okay students, now come to the CRT. These are the oldest among the three types of monitor. It means this is the oldest monitor. CRT monitors consume more electricity. These are generally less expensive. CRT monitor produced sharp image. Understand students? CRT monitors are the oldest among the three types of monitor. CRT monitor consume more electricity power and these are generally less expensive. CRT monitors produced sharp image. Okay students, and the next topic I will explain in my next video. Okay student, thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye, good day.